So it looks like it's finally come true. The Xiaomi Mi 9T Pro is being launched, finally. The worldwide launch of what is the Redmi K20 Pro. So if you don't happen to live in China, you can get your hands on this device. According to Xiaomi Netherlands Facebook page, the Mi 9T Pro is coming on August 20th. So the Redmi K20 and K20 Pro were released here in China what seems like a very long time ago. I have reviewed both of those phones extensively. They are great value. They have big batteries, very good processors, triple cameras, OLED screens, fast charging, and overall they're just very good value phones. The Xiaomi Mi 9T, which is the Redmi K20, was released worldwide earlier, but the Mi 9T Pro, the Redmi K20 Pro, didn't come. A lot of people were wanting that phone and didn't know why it hadn't been released, but now it's here. Even though the Redmi phones were released a little while ago in China, they still actually look pretty good compared to the competition. They offer a lot of value. So with the Mi 9T Pro, if it follows the Redmi K20 Pro's specs, you'll be getting a Snapdragon 855, 6.4-inch OLED screen, a 4000 mAh battery with fast charging, a pop-up camera there, a triple camera system at the back with a main, ultra-wide and zoom camera, good fast charging as well, and a headphone jack. But Xiaomi aren't finished there. We might be expecting a folding phone from Xiaomi this year. There have been some CAD designs made based on a recent patent application that shows we're getting nearer to a release of Xiaomi's folding phone. Xiaomi did tease that earlier in the year, but after the Galaxy Fold situation, a lot of folding phones got put back. The biggest issue with the device that I can see is that when it closes or folds, it closes backwards and covers that back camera. It doesn't look like there's a front camera either, but it could be in a small bezel up there. So if you did want to take photos with the device, I guess you'd have to fold it out before you can do that. Another device that will come in September is the Xiaomi Mi 9S. At least that's the name given to it here in China for now. This looks like an improved version of the Xiaomi Mi 9. Very similar to that in design, but it does address some of the issues with that one, mainly just a bigger battery. It has a 4000 mAh battery, which is bigger than the Mi 9s, but it does use the Snapdragon 855 Plus, which is more power hungry. It's apparently coming with 45 watt fast charging too. That is really fast for any phone, and expect the Mi 9 to come at a good price too. It will of course have 5G, that's why Xiaomi are making this upgrade to the Mi 9. And how about the Mi Mix 4? Well, we just got confirmation that Xiaomi will be using this new 108 megapixel sensor from Samsung. That looks likely to go into a Mi Mix 4 product. The current Mi Mix 3 having 12 megapixel cameras at the back there. So it looks like Xiaomi are going for something completely different with the Mi Mix 4. So expect very high megapixel cameras, a very high screen to body ratio, and very quick fast charging like on the new Xiaomi Mi 9S model. We know Xiaomi's working on 100 watt fast charging, but that is, I think, still a long way away, and it may have to wait until new graphene technology batteries are produced. It was leaked yesterday that Samsung may be considering graphene batteries in upcoming smartphones, possibly next year or the year after. Graphene battery tech is the future. It can charge much quicker than current lithium-ion batteries, and it can also hold much more charge in the same amount of space. So what that means is phones that don't have to be bigger or thicker, having much longer lasting and quicker charging batteries. So it looks to be a busy end of 2019 for Xiaomi. A possible folding phone, a possible Mi Mix 4, a Xiaomi Mi 9S, and at last a worldwide launch of the Redmi K20 Pro, known as the Xiaomi Mi 9T.